Hello everyone, my name is Astha Divedi, a final year student of Civil Engineering, Faculty of Engineering and Technology from Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University. I am going to present a major project presentation on my topic self-healing bacterial concrete with my team member Kundan Bhushan, Kundan Jaiswal, Praveen Kumar Yadav and Mohammad Shoaib Khan under the guidance of Kaushlesh Kumar Shah sir. We will see content, abstract, introduction, objective of project, methodology, experimental work, result, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion, and then reference. First of all, we will see abstract. Crack formation is very common phenomena in concrete structure which allows the water and different type of chemicals into the concrete through the cracks and decrease its durability, strength, and it also affect the reinforcement when it comes in contact with water, carbon dioxide and other chemicals. Sometimes the cracks are at very micro levels, hence they are invisible and difficult to access. To overcome with this problem, autonomous self-healing mechanism is introduced in which a bacteria as a part of metabolism promotes calcite precipitation forming CaCO3 which acts as binding material so it can be used to sealant in crack remedies. Then introduction. In ancient time, Roman concrete was the best construction material ever made. It is one of the most resilient construction material ever created. It was found that Roman concrete was able to self-crack. That's why Pantheon and Colosseum are still standing ever after 2000 years. In 2006, self-healing concrete was invented as a new type of concrete by the microbiologist Professor Hank Jonker at Delft University of Technology. It is created by adding Bacillus pastori bacteria to concrete with calcium lactate as feeding material in form of pellets. When crack appears, the local plates also break, releasing Bacillus pastori, which feeds on calcium lactate, forming CoCO3, which precipitates on crack. Now we will see objective. To heal crack by bacterial precipitation, to investigate the effect of Bacillus species bacteria in gaining strength, enhancing the durability and compressive strength of concrete, analysis of compressive strength with varying bacterial concentration in concrete, durability characteristic. Now we will see methodology. First, literature review, then concrete mix, then addition of bacterial PR self-healing concrete bacteria, then mixing of bacteria, casting and testing of various parameters, compressive strength testing and observation of self-healing of concrete cracks. Here are experimental works. First, the concrete cube of grade 20 M25 was prepared. Analysis of concrete mix by slump test, flow table test, and compaction factor test was done. To carry out the experimental investigation, total 15 cubes of size 150 mm into 150 mm into 150 mm was casted. 3 set of cube, that is set 1 with 1% of bacteria and 2% of fly ash, then set 2 with 2.5% of bacteria and set 3 with 5% of bacteria were casted with 5 samples each. After casting, the cubes were put for curing in curing tank for 28 days. After 28 days curing, 3 cube from each set, that is from set 1, set 2 and set 3 were used to find the compressive strength in compressive testing machine. Remaining two cubes from each set were cracked and were placed for self-healing of cracks. After duration of around 28 days, the cracks in the cube were observed to be healed. This is our bacterial PR self-healing concrete. This is slump testing, flow table test, compaction factor test, cube casting, compressive strength. Result: slump test gives 170 mm, flow table test 56%, compaction factor 0.94%. Obtained value of test from analysis of properties of concrete: very low 0.25, low 25 to 25, 50, medium 50 to 100, high 100 to 175. The concrete we used is highly workable. The flow value of concrete mix ranges from 0 to 150%. Relation between workability and compaction factor: very low, compaction factor is 0.78, low workability 0.85 compaction factor, medium workability 0.92 compaction factor, high workability 0.95 compaction factor. Analysis of compaction factor test: it is clear that concrete is highly workable. Compressive strength of cube after 28 days are listed in the table below. Set 1 25.5, 25.3, 26.1. The average is 25.63. Set 2 21.9, 23.5, 25.1. Average is 23.50. Set 3 21, 20, 21.9. Average is 20.96. Normal M25 cube 25, 24.5, 24.2, and the average is 24.56. These are compressive strength samples. Now, it was observed that the compressive strength of the concrete decreased when the concentration of bacteria was increased from 1% to 2.5% and 5%. It is also observed that use of fly ash increases the compressive strength of the cube sample. Fly ash also improves the workability of concrete and the strength and durability of hardness of concrete. This is the final result. Concrete cube cracks after 28 days. Crack healed after around 28 days. Concrete block after self-healing. Advantage: it is durable and sustainable. It can last centuries. Self-healing concrete is eco-friendly. Self-healing concrete decreases concrete maintenance. In normal concrete, cracks have to be repaired and filled, but you don't have to worry about this with self-healing concrete. Improves compressive strength, reduces the cost of maintenance, better resistance toward freeze law attack reduction. Disadvantages: one of the biggest disadvantages is its initial high cost. It is expensive compared to normal concrete. Maybe in future the cost will reduce when self-healing concrete will become common. Growth of bacteria can be affected by various environmental conditions. Not many contractors know how to use it yet because it is a new product and many people do not have an idea of using it. There is no IS code available to standardize the self-healing. Here are the conclusion. Microbiological concrete technology has proven to be better than many conventional technologies because of its eco-friendly nature, self-healing abilities, and increase in durability of various building materials. All our maintenance cost is minimized. Use of fly ash increases the compressive strength of concrete. Generally, fly ash benefits fresh concrete by reducing the mixing water requirement and improving the paced flow behavior resulting in good work. Thank you. Thank you.